It's Mary from MissionToSave.com, and today I have a friend with me. Well, not a friend. She's my daughter, right? You all remember Naomi?
Hi, everyone.
Yes, okay, she is my friend. But we have a guest with us today, Naomi, and she is with us today because we got something in the mail that was kind of fun this week, and we wanted to do a little unboxing video for you. And so it is from a company that's called Kids on 45th, and you can kind of think about it, this company, like a secondhand Stitch Fix box for kids. Okay, so it's kids clothing that is secondhand, and sometimes they have things that are new with tags too, but the majority of their items are secondhand. And it's a surprise box, kind of like Stitch Fix is sometimes. So you can go on and you set a profile for your child. So I went on and I got to say what sizes Naomi wears and what kind of style she has. She's kind of more of a sporty classic girl than than a trendy floral girl, all of those kind of things. You get to kind of tell them what kind of style to pick so that you get a good box for your kid. And then you get to tell them how many pieces of each kind. Like if you don't want any dresses, then you can tell them not to send a dress. So you kind of do a little style profile, and then they send you a box full of clothes. And it's a surprise. So we are going to open our box from Kids on 45th, and we're going to do an unboxing right here with you, okay? So are you kind of excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Let's see what's inside. Okay, so right away here, let's see. I'm gonna try not to cut anything as I'm opening this. But the other thing you need to know is they have, you can either buy one box or you can buy a subscription that will come 4 times a year. So that's called a seasonal subscription box. So you can have them come 4 times a year, or you can just have buy one box if you just want to try it out. So there's those options. I believe my box is worth $70. Okay, so it's $70 worth of clothing that are inside, and I think I have 11 items. So we'll see what's inside. Okay, so first they give you a little note here that says an advertisement, right? Okay, and then they've got cute packaging, and they tell us right here how many items we got. So we have 1 jacket, 2 tops, a dress, a pair of pants, 2 more pairs of pants, a sweatshirt, 2 shirts, and another sweatshirt. So 11 items, and let's see what's inside, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing, why don't you look at it? Cute. Okay, so the first thing we've got is a bum equipment hoodie, zip-up hoodie, and if you can see,
Has that athletic kind of.
it has athletic, yes, and this one, it has tags on it still. Oh, look what that is. It looks like an Eve. Okay, so so we've got a hoodie, a brand new hoodie, so that's the first thing. We think that's cute, okay, and then we've got one of the pairs of pants.
Yes, I needed new black leggings.
And, okay, needed new black leggings. So these are athletic leggings. These are from the brand So, and they're size 12. I said that she's around a size 12 in, I think I said 10, 12, but more like a 12 in the pant sizes. So we have those. And then, what's this?
Looks like a sweatshirt.
Like a sweater kind of material. Ooh, oh, she likes this. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a lace on the top, so it's a little girly and a little sporty at the same time, which you can see from the shirt she's got on today. She kind of likes that mix of the girly and sporty. It's got a little bit of longer in the back, which we like to cover the bum. Yes, okay, so we're liking that one, yes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she's gonna like this one. Okay.
It's plaid.
It's plaid. It's a flannel.
I love flannels.
Yes, she loves flannels. Okay, so perfect for the season that's coming up. Okay, what else? Pull this one out. Another pair of leggings. Yes, and they have the stripes. She loves the stripes. Okay, so again, so far we've seen this So brand, which I think is either Kohl's or JCPenney, one of those department stores. Let's see, this is Cat and Jack, which is Target. This one says It's Our Time, which is like a department store brand. And then Bum, which, you know, department store brand. So let's see what we got here. A sweatshirt. Cozy. Okay, this one's from Faded Glory, which I believe is a Walmart brand. So we've kind of got a range of brands, brands going on. Oh, look at this one.
It's a jean jacket.
It's a jeans jacket. This is going to be a favorite for sure. Okay, so for $70, it says we were going to have 11 items, so that's a little less than $7 an item. Obviously, the leggings are probably more like $3, but like if you're going to say this is like a $7, it looks brand new, you know? So if you want to average out your prices, I think the cost on this is a good buy. Yes, for sure.
Yes.
Okay, what else here? Okay, well, okay. It's okay if you say you don't like something. Okay, so...
It's okay.
It's okay, right? Okay, so this is just like a polo. You know what it kind of looks like? What does it kind of look like?
A golf shirt?
A golf shirt or like a uniform shirt. She doesn't have to wear uniforms, but if she did, this would be great. So I'm thinking we could maybe resell this one, okay? And that's okay. So this is a polo, but it is a great brand, right? Polo, Ralph Lauren, okay? And what else? What brand is this one?
It's Justice.
Justice. Okay, so we've got a pair of like jegging leggings. Yeah. Do those look good?
They're comfy.
They're comfy. She actually prefers this kind of waistband anyways, right? Instead of like the regular button fly. So those are good. Okay, what else? What is this?
It's like
a Faded Glory, just a plain t-shirt, but that's all right.
Yeah.
That'd be good. I mean, we got crew colors going on, whatever. Yeah. Okay, and what's the last? It should be our dress. Let's see what else.
That's cute.
Oh, okay. So this is Art Class, which is Target, but it has its tags on it. It says $20 for this, for a full price. Yes, she definitely is gonna love this.
It has like the ruffles and like
the design. Oh, yes. And what's this?
Pockets.
Pockets. We love that. Okay, so this is definitely a winner. I'm even thinking like, look, hold that up with this, even like together, jeans jacket, cute outfit. Okay, so we've got jeans jacket, definite winner. We've got the dress. We had 3 pairs of pants, several shirts, the sweatshirt, 2 sweatshirts, and a hoodie. So all of that was around $70, okay? So I think we got a pretty good box, especially if you think about a couple of those items were new with tags, and this jeans jacket looks hardly worn. So it's like new with tags. So I think we got about $7 per item worth. And if you get an item that you say, the quality is on this isn't so good, I really don't like it, they do have a return policy on certain items. I'm not sure if you have an item where you're like, I just don't like it, if you're allowed to return it. You'll have to check their website for that. But if it is damaged in any way or the quality isn't quite up to your standard, because they are secondhand pieces, then you can return some of the pieces. I think it's a good option, kind of like when people like to use Stitch Fix, when they're like, we're too busy, we're not going to get to the store, and you know, my kid likes a certain style, we're just going to get a box and surprise us. That's kind of fun, I think.
Yeah.
And the other fun thing is you can save on your first box, okay? So if you want to get a box, you can use our code, which is MISSIONTOSAVE, right? And you're going to save $10 on your first box, okay? And each box is going to be a little different price because it depends on your items, how much they cost. So if you got some pieces, maybe you didn't get any brand new pieces in your box, which I think they always send at least one, but let's say you didn't get the dress. that might bring it down a little bit. Let's say you decided not to get a jacket and just get pants and t-shirts. That's going to bring your price down a little bit too, because each of those items are worth a little less than others, right? So I think overall we're pretty happy with our Kids on 45th box unboxing experience, and I'll be sure to post some pictures of Naomi in her clothes because I think that jeans jacket and dress combo is going to be super cute. Yes, okay? So we are loving that. So thank you, Kids on 45th, for sending us this box and letting us try it out. I definitely think we will try it again, and if anybody else wants to try it as well, don't forget to use Mission to Save to save $10 on your first box. And let us know if you have any questions about the service, and we will try to answer them. Okay? Thanks, everyone. And what do I always say?
Happy savings.